one of the all-time leaders in the powersports industry came to us asking for help with how do they start to thrive with their e-commerce channel. The challenge that our client faced was all of their infrastructure, all their digital systems, all of their order processing has been specifically built for sending things to dealers and not necessarily direct to the customer. Our client had this idea of centralizing the order processing and order management for direct-to-consumer sales, but also letting their dealers partake in a part of the revenue and a part of the upside. In doing that audit and getting that deep understanding of what customers were experiencing, we were able to identify where the gaps were in our clients' ambitions for what they wanted the customer experience to be. And in taking a customer-centric approach and leveraging design thinking principles, we were then able to redesign a whole new user experience for their consumers. And I think one of the biggest benefits to our client was that we were able to introduce these new systems and new processes for online ordering without disrupting their existing infrastructure. Ultimately, this resulted in a dramatically improved experience for the consumer, giving them much faster ship times and arrival times to their home, much easier returns processing, as well as the option to buy online and pick it up at a dealer. This engagement was successful because our client was willing to go deep and remove friction across all points in their e-commerce ecosystem.